This is a demonstration of the latest feature to be implemented into the ARCAD software, which will permit users to audit and display alarming information from the operator console tag database. This feature utilizes a source for the block specifications combined with the tag database to determine what type of tag is alarming constantly on their operator consoles. This will amount to a very powerful search feature that the engineers at a plant site can use to determine what alarms are necessary and not necessary on their operator consoles. So the concept for this new feature is basically straightforward. We want to know what type of tags are appearing at the operator console that are necessary and not necessary. So we've provided a user interface inside the tag database program to do this. So let's show this. Select the tag database button and bring up the tag database program. A new tab has appeared at the top called the Live Alarm Audit. Click that tab and then select the tag type. Tag types can be either analog, digital, DANG, DADIG, or station type blocks. Then set the type of alarm condition if it's prompted to do so, and the block specification source. Block specification source can either be a CAD drawing or the live module itself. And in this case, we've already started the auditing process and we're using the CAD drawings for the block specification information. So as you can see, it's starting to scroll through the CAD drawings for all the tags that are a digital type and determining which ones have got the specification set that it will alarm when the input is a digital one. We'll just let this go through its process here, and the results will be displayed in the Alarm Audit Report grid. Now that the auditing has finished, the grid populates with every single tag found in the tag database that satisfies the condition it's a digital type tag, and the specification inside the block is set such that it will alarm when it's a digital 1 type alarm. The grid presented here is hyperlinkable, meaning that I can double click on any entry and the block will be appearing in the CAD editor. In this case, here I am sketching it in roughly so that you can see this is the source of the block responsible for that entry in the audit report. I will close off the CAD editor. We'll get back out into the tag database program to take a look at other features of this new tag auditing system. After the audit is performed, a new button appears. This is called the Print Report button. Clicking this button will display the report in a nicely formatted printout. At the top of the report, you will see the conditions for the report, indicating the tag type, the tag condition, and the source of the specifications. Now we're going to switch back over and let's just change a few things up here. Let's change this over to showing all digital types that have the alarms disabled. And instead of using the CAD drawings, this time we're going to use the live module. If the client site has got any software type nodes such as a Pi server, you must program those into this system because Pi servers do not support the read block command. Once you've done that, you can click the Audit Alarms button and perform the audit using the live blocks out of the system. The status bar in the bottom of the tag database program will now start scrolling through the block addresses as it communicates with the Infi90 system. I'm just going to let this run its course in real time so that you can see how fast reading approximately 2,000 blocks is with this system. And now here we are, we're coming to the end of the process, and after using the modules live, the alarm audit report grid is now filled with the tags that meet the above conditions. And in this case, once again, we've decided to show only the digital types that don't have the alarms enabled. Now, during the process of communicating with the Infi90 system, if we discover that there's a block not found inside the system, these will be indicated in the audit log. There's a tab at the top, and by clicking it, you can display this log. This log will also be saved in the ARCAD client software so that you can print it off later on. We'll finish this quickly off by showing you some of the other columns that are presented in the alarm audit report: loop, PCU module, block, and drawing, as well as the alarm description.